Okay, Ellen, you alright? Hello?
Look at that junk flying here.
Yeah. Hello?
Here comes the fire engine.
Hello?
Look at that stuff flying.
Look at that junk fly.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, honey?
Just going right across the golf course.
You get hold.
Right across the golf course.
Oh my God.
Hello?
Oh, we're fine here, Linda.
What?
Oh yeah, look at
Is she okay? Okay, you're at Stickley's?
Jeez.
Okay, stay in the bathtub.
Holy balls. You're gonna have some damage in town.
It's over Parkersburg.
What?
It's over
over.
Parkersburg.
Yeah.
It's still high winds, but the
Hey, hon, you alright?
So it's all white here.
Okay,
but the
I was
wind
gonna
is
say.
behind it. What's that? I
Yeah,
think so, Linda.
it's right over top you guys. It's going right through you.